Constantine and me are going to talk about the difference between stock and bonds. We know that a company can raise a capital in two different ways. It can do it by borrowing money, which is debt, and by selling shares of itself, and that is equity.
Yeah.
And this can be translated into security.
Yes.
What is a security? A security is something. It's something that can be bought and sold, and that has some type of economic value.
Yeah.
We have debt and equity, and
Equity with yes, you missed the I.
and for debt, security is bonds, and for the equity is stock. So now we are going to explain it, and now I will create a balance sheet of a fictional company.
Yeah.
An example.
Yeah.
So this is our assets, and we have the equity.
You miss always the I.
And let's say that the company has sold 10 million shares.
Yeah.
So and now then we have the debt. And make an example, we can say that assets is about $10 million. And
With a different color, it will be more useful in this way.
and let's say the debt is $6 million. So what is left over for the equity? If we have $10 million and I owe to someone $6 million, we have for the equity $4 million. So for the owners of the company,
Yeah.
who have one shares, that means then one owners would have 1/10 millionth of these $4 million,
It's really spread out. It's really that.
and that
Yeah. If you think about that, $4 million equity spread out in 10 million share. Yeah. 0.4.
40.
Yeah, 40, 0.4, yeah, as a value of each share. Okay. Okay. Now we can explain, yeah, it's more understandable, yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, okay.
So
Sorry. I can ask you another question if you want. Do you think that in that case, with equity about $4 million and that's about $6 million, is it can we consider the company in equilibrium or not? If you think about the accountancy, the balance principles, you know.
Not really, because
Not
it's,
really, yeah.
because it's not the half of
Yeah.
the.
That's great, yeah. Okay.
So this is essentially the stock,
Yeah.
but now we talk about debt. Debt could be raised in a different way, but now we will talk about bank loan. where you literally go to the bank and you ask for the money that you need and say, I need $6 million, and they say, okay, here we go it to you, but for this interest, and you have to pay back the money plus the interest.
Yes.
And but there are other things that
You
are
could say that
revolving.
sometimes it's not convenient
Yeah.
because the interest is very high to pay.
And you
So-
can have another alternative if you
Yes,
want.
there is another alternative, so I can. So we don't consider the bank loan, but we speak about bonds.
Yeah.
So there are two types of bonds. There is the normal bond that you take money from the people,
Yeah.
and we can consider the period,
Yeah.
and think that we take money here,
Yeah.
and at the end of period we have to give back the money to the people, and plus the maturate interests.
Yeah, the interest rate is the interest.
So, and this is one type of bond. There are another type which is zero coupon.
Mhm.
Zero coupon. And it's a little difficult
Explain.
to explain, but it consists in the profit of people who give money
Mhm.
consists in the difference between the
price.
value at the start of
The period. Yeah.
period and the end.
Yeah. The differences between the different prices.
Yes.
One price at the when you start
And the price at the end.
at the end. Yeah.
When
you
you
receive
the money back.
Yeah. Mhm.
And to calculate, we can think about, I don't know, we have 6 million of that.
Yeah.
We can divide it in 6,000 of bonds.
Yeah.
So the face value
Mhm.
of bond will, of the company XYZ
Yeah.
will be $100.
Yeah. 100 or 1,000?
Or 1,000,
Euro
sorry.
pound. Yeah. Okay.
And, okay.
Very well. Thank you. You can